హలో మైక్ టెస్టింగ్ 1 2 3 ఫార్వర్డ్ చేసావా నావే Right. Good afternoon, children. Welcome to CET Maths class. We are under the chapter binomial theorem. In the last class, I completed 15 problems. Let us continue with that number. 16th problem. Let n greater than or equal to 5 and b not equal to 0 in the binomial expansion of a minus b whole power n, the sum of the fifth and sixth terms is 0. Fifth and sixth terms is 0. Then a by b is equal to right. Understand the problem. Let n greater than or equal to 5. What is the value of n is greater than or equal to 5 and b not equal to 0 in the binomial expansion of a minus b whole power n. A minus b whole power n is there. In that one, sum of the fifth and sixth terms is 0. Fifth term plus sixth term is 0. What is the value of a by b? Okay, see. Right. Given T5 plus T6 is equal to 0. Sum of the fifth and sixth terms is 0. T5 can be written as T4 plus 1. T6 can be written as T5 plus 1 is equal to 0. It is in the form Tr plus 1. Right. Tr plus 1 formula is NCR into x power n minus r into y power r. So here it is in the form x plus y whole power n. So n is n only. So n c r is 4 into a power n minus 4 into minus b whole power r means whole power 4 plus t5 plus 1 means n c 5 into a power n minus 5 into minus b whole power 5 is equal to 0. Okay, n c 4 into a power n minus 4 minus b whole power 4 is b power 4, n c 5 into a power n minus 5 minus b whole power 5 is minus b power 5 is equal to 0. Plus into minus is minus. Negative whole power 5 is negative will come. Okay, send this minus term to that side. n c 4 into a power n minus 4 into b power 4 is equal to n c 5 into a power n minus 5 into b power 5. Okay, n c 4 a power n minus 4 can be written as a power n by a power 4. A power m minus n is a power m by a power n. A power n by a power 4 into b power 4 is equal to n c 5 into a power n by a power 5 into b power 5. Okay, cancel it. Here a power n cancel, a power 4 cancel, b power 4 cancel. Then you will get nc4 is equal to nc5 into b by a. Here one b is remaining, here a is remaining. Bring that b by a to here, it will become a by b is equal to nc5 by nc4. A by b equal to nc5 by nc4. It is in the form ncr by ncr minus 1. ncr by ncr minus 1. Formula n minus of r minus 1 by r. R is there, one term decreased, r minus 1. So 5 is there, one term decreased. N minus 4 divided by 5. Since this formula. So that is the value of a by b. So what is the value of a by b is n minus 4 by 5. Write it. Now 17th problem. If n is an odd positive integer, if n is an odd positive integer, an odd positive integer and 1 plus x square plus x cubed whole power n is equal to summation r is equal to 0 to 3n ar into x power r, ar into x power r, then a naught minus a1 plus a2 minus a3 plus and so on minus a3n is options are 4 power n 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. Okay, solution. Understand the question. If n is an odd positive integer, n is odd number, and 1 plus x square plus x cubed whole power n is equal to sigma r is equal to 0 to 3n ar into x power r, then what is this value? Okay, write that expression. See, 1 plus x square plus x cubed whole power n is equal to sigma r is equal to 0 to 3n ar into x power r. Put r value 0, expand it, is equal to a naught into x power 0 plus a1 into x power 1 plus a2 into x square plus a3 into x cubed plus and so on. Last r value 3n, a3n into x power 3n. Okay, if you expand that one, you will get like this. We are going to find this value a naught minus a1 plus a2 minus a3, like that is there. All plus is there, put x is equal to 1. All plus is there, put x equal to 1. Plus or minus alternately is there. To find that value, put x is equal to minus 1 in the expansion. So put x is equal to minus 1. You will get a naught, anything power 0, 1 plus a1 into x value minus 1 plus a2 into minus 1 whole square plus a3 into minus 1 whole cubed plus and so on plus a3n into minus 1 whole power 3n. X value minus 1 substituted is equal to 1 plus x value minus 1 whole square into minus 1 whole cubed whole power n. X value minus 1 substituted, minus 1 whole square, minus 1 whole cubed. Okay, a naught into 1 is a naught, plus into minus is minus, minus a1, minus 1 whole square 1, so a2 minus a3 plus and so on. Minus 1 whole power 3n. See, n is odd number means you can take either 1, 3, 5, anything, odd number you can take 1. Minus 1, 3 into 1, 3, minus 1 whole cube minus, so minus a3n is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 whole power n is equal to 0 power n is equal to 0. So, what is the value of the expression is 0. Here only one blind signal. What is that one? What is that key point is, if they ask you to find all positive terms, put x is equal to 1. If they ask you to find plus or minus alternately, put x is equal to minus 1. So, you are getting the answer as 0. Here n is odd number, so you can take 1. Minus 1 whole cubed is minus 1. Plus in a3n into minus 1 is minus a3n. So, like this answer is 0 you are getting. Write it. Okay, right. Now 18th problem. 18. If the 13th term in the expansion of the 13th term in the expansion of x square plus 2 by x whole power n is independent of x, then the sum of divisors of n is, okay, solution. Understand the question. The 13th term in the expansion of x square plus 2 by x whole power n is independent of x. Here one binomial term given. In that binomial expansion, 13th term is independent of x. 13th term is independent of x, means constant term. So, in that 13th term no x should present. So, what is the sum of divisors of n? We want sum of divisors of n, means n value I want. If you know n value, suppose 30, sum of divisors of 30 divisors sum, like that. So, first of all I am going to expand 13th term. T 13 can be written as 12 plus 1. It is in the form TR plus 1, formula NCR into x power n minus r into y power r. That is important formula. See, to do any binomial theorem problem, that formula is coming, NCR. So, N, C, R is 12. into x power n minus r, so x square whole power n minus 12 into y power r means 2 by x whole power 12. It is in the form x plus y whole power n, okay, is equal to nc12. A power m whole power n is a power mn, so x power 2 into n, 2n, 12 2s are 24 into 2 power 12 by x power 12 is equal to nc12 into 2 power 12 into, it is in the form a power m by a power n. A power m by a power n is a power m minus n, x power 2n minus 24 minus 12. They asked to find, they said 13th term is independent of x, no x should present, so make that x power to 0. Since it is constant term or term independent of x, so put 2n minus 36 is equal to 0, equate that power to 0, x power 0 1, no x will be there. 2n is equal to 36, n is equal to 18, so what is the value of n is 18, okay, n value came. I am going to find sum of divisors of n, therefore sum of divisors of 18 is equal to, what are the divisors of 18? 18 is divisible by what? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Add them. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 18 is equal to 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 18 30, 30 plus 9 39. So what is the sum of divisors is? Sum of divisors is 39. Write it. Okay, 19th problem. 19. If 1 minus x, if 1 minus x plus x square whole power n is equal to a naught plus a1 x plus a2 x square and so on plus a2n into x power 2n, then a naught plus a2 plus a4 plus and so on plus a2n is equal to okay, solution. See here one condition given, they are asked to find a naught plus a2 plus a4 and so on a2n value. Condition given, they are asked to find this sum of even terms a0, a2 plus a4, sum of even coefficients. Okay, first in the given expansion, put x is equal to 1. One equation comes, put x is equal to minus 1. Another equation comes, add them. If you add even terms, you will get. If you subtract odd terms, you will get. Okay. So, put x is equal to 1. So, a naught plus a1 into 1 plus a2 into 1 square plus and so on plus a2n into 1 power 2n is equal to 1 minus x value 1 plus 1 square is 1 whole power n. Okay, a naught plus a1 1 a1 plus a2 and so on. 1 power anything is 1 only. So, a2n is equal to plus 1 minus 1 cancel. 1 power anything is 1. Okay, take this as equation 1. So, if you put x value 1, you are getting like that. Put x is equal to minus 1. So, put x equal to minus 1. Where in the question only? A naught plus a1 into minus 1 plus a2 into minus 1 whole square and so on a2n into minus 1 whole power 2n equal to 1 minus x, x means minus 1 whole square whole power n, x replaced by minus 1. Okay, a naught, a1 into minus 1 minus a1 plus a2 minus and so on minus 1 whole power 2n. 2n is even number, 2n is even number, minus 1 whole power 4 is 1 only. So, plus a2n is equal to 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3. So, 3 power n. Take this as equation 2. So, plus or minus alternately coming. Okay, add these two equations. Equation 1 plus equation 2 implies this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Add plus a1 minus a1 cancel, plus a3 minus a3 cancel, like that. What are remaining is a naught plus a naught 2a naught, a2 plus a2 2a2, a2n a2n 2a2n. So, 2a naught plus 2a2 plus 2a4 plus and so on plus 2 a2n is equal to 1 plus 3 power n. Add the equations. If they ask you to find odd terms, a1 plus a3 plus a5 like that, subtract them. Take 2 common. You will get a naught plus a2 plus a4 plus and so on plus a2n is equal to 3 power n plus 1. Send that 2 to that side. A naught plus a2 plus a4 plus and so on a2n is equal to 3 power n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, so what is sum of even coefficients is 3 power n plus 1 by 2. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, they are given options 3 power n plus 1 by 2, 3 power n minus 1 by 2, 3 power n by 2 plus 1, like that options given. This is the correct option. Okay, right, 20th problem. If the middle term of 1 by x plus x sin x whole power 10 is equal to 7 by 8, then x is equal to what? Options are 2n pi plus pi by 6, n pi plus pi by 6, n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into pi by 6, like that 4 options given. General solutions they are asked to find. Okay, solution. See, if the middle term of 1 by x plus x sin x whole power 10 is equal to 7 by 8. Here one binomial term given, it is in the form x plus y whole power n. In this expansion, middle term given, they only given middle term is 7 by 8. What is x value? Okay, middle term has formulas are there depending on the n value. Here power is 10 is even number. So given expansion has only one middle term. What is that one? Is t n by 2 plus 1. So here n is equal to 10 comma which is even. Therefore middle term formula is t n by 2 plus 1. Suppose n is odd number, two middle terms are there, t n plus 1 by 2 and t n plus 3 by 2. Substitute it, is equal to t 10 by 2 plus 1 is equal to t 5 plus 1. So sixth term is middle term. That to find it, it is in the form t r plus 1, formula NCR 10c5 NCR into x power n minus r 1 by x whole power n minus 5 into y power r x sin x whole power 5, right, is equal to 10c5 into 1 by x power 5. 1 by x power 5. Take power to each term, x power 5 into sin power 5x. Here x power 5 cancel. They only given, that is middle term. They only given middle term is 7 by 8. This is according into data middle term. Simplify. 8 7 ja 56. 8 7 ja 56. 56 plus 7 63 by 8 is equal to 10c5 value is 252 into sin power 5x. See, 10c5 is equal to 10c5. How to find it is 5 terms by 5 terms. 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. 5 terms by 5 terms. Cancel it. 2 5 ja 10, 10 cancel. 2 5 ja 10 cancel. 4 1 ja 4 2 ja cancel. 3 1 ja 3 3 ja cancel. Okay, 3 2 ja 6, 6 6 ja 36, 36 7 ja is 252. So 252. Cancel it. Okay. Then 9 7 ja, 9 2 ja, 9 8 ja cancel. 9 7 ja 63, 9 2 ja 18, 72 will come, 9 8 ja 72. 7 1 ja 7 4 ja cancel. So you are getting 1 is equal to 1 by 8 is equal to 4 sin power 5x. 1 by 8 4 ja 32 is equal to sin power 5x. Sin power 5x is equal to 1 by 32 can be written as 1 by 2 whole power 5. 1 by 2 whole power 5. Since powers are same, bases must be equal. Sin x is equal to 1 by 2. Sin x is equal to 1 by 2 can be written as sin 30 degrees, sin pi by 6. It is in the form sin x is equal to sin alpha. General solution formula. General solution of x. Trigonometric equations over na. What is sin general solution formula? N pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha. So n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha. So x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha is pi by 6. Okay, that is the x value. First we calculated our middle term. They given 7 by 8. Simplify, you are getting x value. Write it. Okay, 21st problem. If A and B are the coefficients of x power n, coefficients of x power n in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 2n, 1 plus x whole power 2n and 1 plus x whole power 2n minus 1 respectively, then a by b is equal to, right, options are 1, 2, 1 by 2, 1 by n, 1, 2, 1 by 2, 1 by n. Okay, understand the question. If a and b are coefficients of x power n in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 2n and 1 plus x whole power 2n minus 1 respectively, then a by b is equal to, what is a? Coefficient of x power n in 1 plus x whole power 2n. What is b? Coefficient of x power n, same x power n in 1 plus x whole power 2n minus 1. I want a by b value. Answer 1 na, 2 na, 1 by 2 na, 1 by n na. Write it. A by b. A means coefficient of x power n in 1 plus x whole power 2n. What is b? B means coefficient of x power n in 1 plus x whole power 2n minus 1. I am going to find that value. Okay, you know 1 plus x whole power n expansion In the synopsis, I given fifth formula 1 plus x whole power n. What is formula given? nc naught plus nc1 into x plus nc2 into x square and so on ncn into x power n. What is coefficient of x square? Coefficient of x square is nc2. What is coefficient of x power n? ncn. Similarly, here also, what is coefficient of x power n is 2ncn. That n it is coming. See, x square ki nc2, x ki nc1, x power r ki ncr. Same 2ncn. In this one also 2n minus 1. See, x power n coefficient cn. Coefficient of x power n in 1 plus x whole power 2n. Power is here, there n is there, here 2n is there. 2n cn. 2n minus 1 cn is equal to, it is in the form NCR. NCR formula n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So, apply NCR formula n factorial 2n factorial by 2n minus n factorial into n factorial. Denominator also same form, NCR formula. So, 2n minus 1 factorial by 2n minus 1 minus n factorial into n factorial. Since NCR formula n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Send to numerator is equal to 2n factorial by 2n minus n is n factorial into n factorial into send to numerator 2n minus n minus 1 factorial into n factorial by 2n minus 1 factorial. 2n minus n is n minus 1 factorial. Right. Cancel it. Here n factorial cancel. Okay. 2n factorial can be written as suppose 6 factorial can be written as 6 into 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, that is denoted by 5 factorial. 6 factorial can be written as 6 into 5 factorial. Similarly, 2n factorial can be written as 2n into decrease 1, 2n minus 1 factorial. One term decreased. N factorial can be written as similarly n into n minus 1 factorial into n minus 1 factorial by 2n minus 1 factorial. Cancel it. 2n minus 1 factorial, 2n minus 1 factorial cancel. N minus 1 factorial, n minus 1 factorial cancel. N cancel is equal to 2. So, that is the value of a by b. What is a by b value is 2. Okay, write it. See, in synopsis write the formulas Already I given 11 formulas. Let us continue it. Okay. Otherwise, note points. Number 1 is, if the coefficients of rth, r plus 1th, r plus second terms in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n are in AP. But if the coefficients of rth term, r plus 1th term and r plus second terms in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n are in AP. Suppose these coefficients are in arithmetic progression. What is the formula? Is n square minus n into 4r plus 1 plus 4r square minus 2 is equal to 0. Suppose rth term, r plus 1th term, r plus second term coefficients are in arithmetic progression. What is the formula to find n? Is n square minus n into 4r plus 1 plus 4r square minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, second point. If the coefficients of pth and qth term coefficient, qth term coefficients equal, then what is the condition? Is p plus q is equal to n plus 2. If the coefficients of pth and qth terms in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n are equal, then which condition holds? Pth term coefficient to qth term coefficients equal, then formula is p plus q is equal to n plus 2. This is the formula. P plus q is equal to n plus 2. Without formulas also you can do it, but it will take some time. If you by heart the synopsis, time will be consumed, time will be less for you. Okay, p plus q is equal to n plus 2. Right. 3. The first negative term in the expansion of negative term in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power p by q is, see, 1 plus x whole power p by q is there. If you expand, you will get infinite number of terms. In that one, what is first negative term? What is the first negative term? If you see that series, that will appear is formula t step of p by q plus 3. What is the first negative term appearing in that series? Is t step function p by q plus 3. That term is first negative term. Okay, write in the synopsis, write it. Okay. Write down the question. Now problem number 22. If the coefficients of second, third and fourth terms in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n, in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n are in AP, then the value of n is, okay, solution. Understand the question. If the coefficients of second, third and fourth terms in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n are in AP, then the value of n is. So those coefficients are in arithmetic progression. They are asked to find n value. Apply this synopsis point. If the coefficients of rth, r plus 1th, r plus second terms means consecutive 3 terms, coefficients are in AP, this is the formula, this is the condition. So by observing what is r value, so here r is equal to, if the coefficients of rth, r plus 1th, r plus second, so r value is 2. Write the formula, n square minus n into 4r plus 1 plus 4r square minus 2 is equal to 0. Substitute r value 2, you will get the n value. N square minus n into 4 into 2 plus 1 plus 4 into 2 square minus 2 is equal to 0. Then you will get n square minus 4 2 ja 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9n plus 2 square 4, 4 4 ja 16, 16 minus 2 14 is equal to 0. Factorize, 14 factors are 7 2 ja 14. So n square minus 7n minus 2n plus 14 is equal to 0. First two terms n common, n minus 7 minus 2 common, n minus 7 is equal to 0. Take n minus 7 common, you will get n minus 2 is equal to 0. Either n minus 7 is equal to 0 or n minus 2 equal to 0. N is equal to 7, n is equal to 2. Right. Among them, one is wrong. See, if you take n value 2, in that expansion, fourth term will not appear. 1 plus x whole square, 1 plus x whole square is first 1 plus x square plus 2x, only 3 terms are there, fourth term not exist, that is why n not equal to 2. If you take n value 2, fourth term will not come in that expansion, that is why n value is compulsory 7 only. Okay, write it. Okay, one problem homework 23. If the coefficients of 5th, 6th and 7th terms in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n or in AP, then the value of n is 5th, 6th, 7th terms are in AP. What is the value of n? You do that problem as homework. So 24th problem. Now 24. If the coefficients of 3rth and r plus second terms in the binomial expansion of expansion of 1 plus x whole power 2n are equal, then n is equal to okay, understand the question. If the coefficients of 3rth and r plus second terms in the binomial expansion of 1 plus x whole power 2n are equal. See, 3rth coefficient to r plus second term coefficient to equal. What is n value? I given in the synopsis. If the coefficients of pth and qth terms in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n are equal, then n is, so formula given, p plus q is equal to n plus 2. If the coefficients of pth and qth, so p is 3r, q is r plus 2 is equal to n means power 2n plus 2. Okay, 3r plus r 4r plus 2 is equal to 2n plus 2 cancel, 4r is equal to